Good morning, 7th graders. Mrs. Klukis and I have decided to team teach the research paper. I talked about it a little bit on Friday, and some of you are not even ready to begin your research paper, which is fine. It is okay. But we are going to team teach. So we have decided that everybody in 7th grade is going to write a research paper. They are going to answer these 5 questions that are on the background research. Everyone's going to answer them. You can share the 3 resources you have to have for your research paper. You could share those among your groups. That's fine. But each 7th grader will answer those questions on their own. Okay, so I'm only giving you today, Monday, to get the other pages done. You have to have your question done. You have to have your title done. You have to have your hypothesis done. You have to have your 3 vocabulary words done. And you have to have your controlled variables done, right? So 5 things are due at 3 p.m. today. If you have those done, then you are ready to find your 3 resources in my class. You are ready to write your materials down, and you are ready to write your steps down for your experiment. In Mrs. Klukis's class, you are going to start to write your individual paper answering those 5 questions. So you'll be working with Mrs. Klukis, writing your own research paper. Everybody is going to submit their own research paper. We are going to see if you can do it by Friday. If we need more time, Mrs. Klukis and I will decide by Friday. Okay, but every single 7th grader is going to be answering these 5 questions, and then you are going to submit your paper to Mrs. Klukis and I. So it's going to be for a double grade. Then, when you come back to my room, hopefully, I would say, I don't have a calendar with me, but by February 1st, I think that's a Wednesday or something. I'm not really sure. I don't have a calendar, but we're going to grade them. And then you, as your science fair group, are going to determine whose paper is the best to submit to science fair, to have the judge at the science fair read it. Okay? So my class, you're going to finish up during science class. You're going to finish up your 5 things that you need due by 3 p.m. today. Okay? If you have those done, find the resources that your groups can share with. Okay? If you haven't reached Mrs. Klukis's class yet, then you are going to start your procedures and your materials. Once you get to Miss Klukis' class, you are then going to start answering these 5 questions. And Miss Klukis is there to help you cite in MLA format. She has the same links and everything that I posted on Google Classroom. So you are going to get the best help from your English teacher to write it. And I'm going to help you with the science part in my class. So I hope that is clear. I hope everyone understands. You're writing your own research paper in Miss Klukis' class. You're going to answer the 5 questions. You're going to submit your paper to both of us. And then we are going to choose who's the best paper in my science class to submit to your science fair judge. Okay, so you have a busy week filled with Miss Klukis on writing your research paper. And in my class, all you have is Monday. We're going back to the book on Tuesday. And you have a photosynthesis test on Wednesday over the diagram that we did that's in your notebook. And you also have a test on Friday over the plant body system. So please email me. And when I come back to school on Tuesday, I will totally help you. But Miss Klukis, she knows what she's doing as well. So enjoy.